Thanks a lot, dear dancers, for making us realize the grave situation of our time and yet so beautifully portraying the hazardous lives of the farmhands.
The Green Summit is going to be ever more exciting as we introduce our green ambassadors from our neighboring states tonight. I request Reverend Father Paul Olfindro, the Provincial of Shillong Province, Sri C.P. Marak, retired Indian Forest Service personnel and the advisory board member of Northeast Green Summit, along with Brother Reggie, the manager of the Bosco School, Silchar, to please come up to the dais and felicitate our green ambassadors.
Starting from the land of Arunachal Pradesh, the land of dawn-lit mountains representing an out-of-world natural beauty that one can imagine only in dreams, a spurring hub of Buddhism, the place boasts gorgeous and magnificent monasteries. This wonderland is being represented by the most beautiful, the very talented and very gorgeous Roshni Dada.
Roshni is a famous Indian model and an influencer. She won the MTV Supermodel of the Year Season 2. She is here with us in this evening to represent the land of rising sun, Arunachal Pradesh. I request Reverend Father Paul Olfindro to please felicitate her. Can we please have a big round of applause for Roshni? Roshni, we request you to speak a few words.
Good evening to each and everyone who's present over here. First of all, thank you so much Northeast Green Summit and Don Bosco School for having me and for felicitating me. And it's truly an honor for me to be part of this event. And I must say that I'm fascinated by this campus and all the performance that I saw yesterday and today's as well. The message the students have shown us by their performance, I was really amazed. It was so beautiful, and I would love to spread this message, the message of this event, as much as possible, whenever and wherever possible. And lastly, I would like to thank Medify Entertainment for taking such good care for us. Thank you. Have a nice evening.
Thank you, Roshni.
Next, we come to the most idyllic land of natural beauty, Mizoram. Known for its evergreen hills and dense bamboo jungles, Mizoram lies in the southernmost tip of northeast India. Called the land of blue mountains, the hills are crisscrossed by gushing rivers and high sparkling waterfalls.
To represent this charming land of beauty, we have amongst us the most ebullient and the most charming Miss Bunny. She is an influencer, a great fitness enthusiast, and an amazing fashionista. Miss Bunny, we request you to please come up on the stage for the felicitation. I request Sir C.P. Marak to kindly felicitate her. Can we please have a loud round of applause for Miss Bunny? We also request you to speak a few words.
Namaskar. I'm really glad and honored to be part of this event, Northeast Green Summit, and thank you for felicitating me and for the warm hospitality around here. And also, I would like to thank Medify Entertainment for taking care of us really well, and I will promote this message of this event as much as possible and wherever I can. Let's keep our environment clean and protected. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Bunny.
The last Green Ambassador to be felicitated tonight is Satirtha Devnath. This very young influencer is from the land of Tripura. Tripura may be one of the smallest states in India, but it is very well known for its diverse culture, archaeology, handicrafts, and music.
With a wide array of festivals, dance, handicrafts, flora and fauna, natural scenic beauty, beautiful rock-cut carvings, stone images, and pleasant climate, Tripura has much to offer to its visitors. Such is the homeland of Satirtha. May we invite her on stage to come forward and accept the felicitation. I request Brother Reggie to kindly felicitate her. Satirtha, we request you to kindly speak a few words.
Good evening, everyone. And I'm really feeling good I'm here. Thank you so much, Green Summit and Don Bosco, for having me here and for giving us this such a beautiful evening. And I'm also thank to Medify Entertainment for taking care of us so good. And I will share this message to everyone and as much as I can. Thank you so much. Have a good evening. Thank you.
Thank you, Satirtha.
It was great listening to you influencers. Thank you so much, dignitaries, for felicitating them. Thank you.
The Bai Maijai dance is one of the oldest Dimasa traditional folk dance in Assam. The dance is performed by young girls or women with two dish or plates in both their hands.
In the past, during the reign of the Dimasa kingdom, the king, when had come out victorious in the war, offered victory and welcomed at the palace by dancing Bai Maijai.
Here, Bai means dance and Maijai means paddy winnower. Altogether, it means dance of round paddy winnower.
The Bai Maijai folk dance is also a dance to give importance to harvest and hunting. It is the dance which involves balancing and holding two dish or plates at each palm, danced only by the women.
The dance has now gained recognition in different parts of India. In this dance, the dancers wear traditional attire like Rigu Rikosa and Ranjam Fine, ornaments like Rang Barsa, necklace made of coins, and drum-shaped ornaments like Chandrahal, necklace made of silver.
It's time we experience an alluring Dimasa dance performance by our friends from Silchar.